So when you first open it up, it comes very nicely packaged, you guys. And look, the fact that there's nothing in it, like meaning not too many items, it shows how far our technology has come to this point, you guys. You do not need much to set up a projector. You do not need to know a lot about having a projector just because of how easy they are these days. Look how amazing this look. It's so nice. It looks so rich, expensive, you guys, but the price is definitely worth it for something like this. It has a silicone cover to protect your lens. The lens is very large, you guys. It says full HD 1920 times 1080. That is amazing. So let me show you everything else that's in this box. It comes with the user manual, comes with the remote, as well as the power cord and an HDMI cord if needed. Okay, you guys, listen up. This projector is just awesome. It supports 4K, 800 ANSI, and it has intelligent autofocus and auto 6D keystone correction. It frees your hands from tedious manual adjustments. It can go from 50 to 100% zoom, and you can enjoy a 300-inch giant screen and offers a wide color gamut. It ensures the most precise color reproduction and perfect details to create your home theater. It has wide compatibility. It's compatible with iOS, Android, or a TV stick. It's equipped with HDMI, AV, USB, RJ45, and AUX ports. It has Wi-Fi 6 and is compatible with 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks. It has built-in speakers offering a 360-degree surrounding immersive experience. It has a fully sealed optical design, which means dust will not enter easily. It's effectively reducing black spots and image loss and extending the lifespan of the projector. My kids absolutely love having a home theater outside. It's the highlight of our summer, bringing out a projector outside and our projector screen just to have this little family get together before we go to bed. You guys get it. You will not regret it. This is an amazing projector.